Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Saayujyam, the Art Zone. Our next topic in this series for drawing for beginners is going to be object drawing and still life drawing. In my opinion, before getting started with object drawing, we must have some knowledge about perspective drawing and symmetrical drawing. This will help us present the objects that we draw look very realistic. I have already covered these topics in this series. For those who have missed them out, I would suggest to go through those videos first before starting up with object drawing. I have provided the links in the description box below and at the end of this video as well. Okay, now what is object drawing? As the name says, it is drawing an object or an arrangement of some objects realistically that are available in our day-to-day life, like plates, flower vase, vessels, pots, maybe fruits and so on. You might have also heard a term still life drawing. Now what is that? It is drawing an arrangement of several objects realistically, but this time we can add our perception to it. Like we can also add or place some natural objects like flowers or leaves, etc. with those objects. Today we will be seeing the difference between object drawing and still life drawing. So come on, let's get started. As such, we can say that still life drawing is an extension to object drawing. Still life drawing is an improvised version of object drawing. So it is very important to learn object drawing before making a still life drawing. Now let's see some differences between them. These are some reference pictures that I have taken from internet for explaining purpose. The very first difference between object drawing and still life drawing is that in object drawing we have to draw the object and present them as it is, without changing their arrangement or color schemes. It is important to color and draw as they appear in front of us. Whereas in still life drawing, as I said before, we can add an arrangement of several objects realistically with our perception added to it. It gives the liberty to change the color of the objects as well. Second difference is that there is no drapery or change of background while drawing an object drawing, because it has to be drawn as it is seen, whereas in still life drawing, we add drapery and even the background can be changed. The third difference is that in object drawing, the objects are drawn big, so generally less number of objects are arranged, and in still life drawing, 5 to 7 objects are arranged as the objects are drawn smaller. The fourth difference we can say is that in object drawing, since we concentrate on drawing the objects exactly as they appear, detailing becomes an important aspect. Hence, we choose a place as near as possible to the arrangement of objects to draw them. Whereas in still life drawing, the objects are placed away around 10 to 12 feet. Here the exact detailing might not be possible, but we can add our own effects to the drawing. So that was all about what I have come across till now about the differences between object drawing and still life drawing. Please do comment if anybody has to say something more on this. You are most welcome to share the knowledge. So that was the difference between object drawing and still life drawing. I hope you found today's video useful. If yes, then please do like and share this video. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get the notifications of the new videos that I upload. We will be seeing more on object drawing and still life drawing in the upcoming videos. Till then, take care, keep practicing and bye-bye.